Have you ever felt the perfect vacation was just out of reach? Perhaps due to choosing the wrong place? By the end of this video, you'll discover a hidden paradise so captivating, you'll want to pack your bags immediately. Ramada Resort by Wyndham Lara welcomes you to the Mediterranean. From its grand exterior and elegant lobby to spacious rooms and suites with private balconies, every detail promises refined luxury and comfort. A world of flavors awaits across 6 a la carte restaurants, from fresh seafood to Italian classics, alongside a vibrant main dining hall. Indulge in delightful treats and refreshing drinks at lively bars. Rejuvenate at the serene spa, with a Turkish bath, sauna, massage rooms, and an indoor pool. Then, dive into endless fun, with magnificent outdoor pools and thrilling water slides for all ages. Evenings sparkle with captivating shows, and active guests enjoy a modern fitness center, tennis, or diverse water sports. Just steps away, a private 25,000 square meter beach awaits, complete with luxurious cabanas and a picturesque pier. Ramada Resort by Wyndham Lara offers an unforgettable escape, where every moment becomes a cherished memory.